Okay, lesson number 3. We're going a little bit deeper now. I'm not saying that you're going to do this on your first session with the flute. We're moving down the line now, learning more and more. So I'm going to add a couple little things that are going to help you make your playing a little more expressive. This is what we've done so far. That's called a scale. It's a pentatonic scale, 5 notes, and what makes this flute so wonderfully accessible is all the notes sound good together. You're always making a little tune. There's no sour notes that you're going to hit. Of course, you can hit a sour note if you do this. It's got to be from the bottom up and the top down. Now we're going to add another technique. It's a little tonguing, tut, 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 like this. It's called an attack in musical terms. Listen to what's happening. We had now we've got and they work together. Spontaneously, your inner guide is going to tell you what to do and how to do it. It's not going to use words. You're just going to move into this thing in a, wonderful, harmonious way. Listen. See how they're working together? The attack to and the okay, we've learned something new. Your playing is going to become more expressive.